pole for this 4-lap dash. Out of Erie, Washington, sponsored by Sunnydale Muffler, the Muffler Shop, Landon Motorsports and Commercial Structures Incorporated. In the 16, the Dinosaur, Dwayne Swanson. Side by side, the field remains through the first set of corners. 3 wide on the backstretch. Schaff making the move to the inside. Betta on the outside. Dwayne Swanson stuck in the middle. Parker Stevens trying to make his way forward. Betta now losing some ground a little bit sideways. Swanson pulled back up onto the rear quarter panel of Schaff. Schaff trying to hold them off as they come out of 4 across the line side by side. Schaff now opens up a bit of a margin on the rest of the field. Randy Schaff, your points leader coming into this night. White flag flies as they continue doing battle behind Schaff. Now the field single file from front to back. Parker Stevens just pulls onto the rear bumper of Betta. Your winner, Randy Schaff, followed by Rennie Burrows. And starting on the pole in the 16X out of Erie, Washington, sponsored by Sunnydale Muffler and Rossler Racing, Matthew Rossler. Underway for the first of 2 heat races for the Lexar Home Legends. And trouble right off the bat up front for Rossler. Rossler goes way up the track and then slows. Tracy Ward gets bumped down below the white line on the back stretch. As Rennie, the wild child Burrows, leads after 1 lap. Keith Van Dyne, Jesse Branham, and we got trouble. As going around farther back in the field to 21 of Taylor Sunkel. As you see who this is, that they're not going to leave somebody sitting in the pits if they have anything to say about it. We are once again back underway. Rennie Burrows and Keith Van Dyne. Now, a little bit of a 2-car breakaway from the 209 and the 72. Keith Van Dyne getting up on the wrong side. Rennie Burrows, and he's going to make the pass going into turn number 3. Keith Van Dyne, he is a veteran of Legends Racing. He's raced all over the Northwest, but we don't see a whole lot of Keith here at South Sound Speedway. He is making his presence known here tonight. 3 laps complete. Keith Van Dyne now starting to separate from the field as Tracy Warren making the move going by Atlanta. Tracy Warren is on the hunt as they come off of turn number 4. Caution is out. Taylor Sunkel had to get herself out. Up into that mix. Warren working to the outside of Van Dyne. Couldn't quite make it stick, and now Warren has left the door open on the bottom for Jesse Branham to get up there. As Van Dyne stays low on the track, right on top of the rumble strips, giving Warren absolutely no choice but to work the outside. Warren pulling even with Van Dyne as they come off of turn number 2. Tracy Warren with a head of steam, like he was shot out of a cannon, just blows right by Van Dyne. 2 laps remain, and we got one spinning on the front stretch. And Matthew Rossler came off the 4 spot, but we stayed green as Rossler got it gathered back up. Tracy Warren, once Tracy got the lead, he then set sail and left Van Dyne and Branham left to argue over that second spot. Tracy Warren, followed by Keith Van Dyne, and then it was Jesse Branham, Tristan Hyder, and then Rennie Moroz rounding out the top 5. And Alpha Iron is Simon Buchanan. And on the outside of the front row, the 22 car out of Burien, Washington, sponsored by Landon Motorsports and Sunnydale Muffler is Brent Mack. And starting on the pole in the 22X out of Yakima, Washington, sponsored by Northwest Aerial Services, Les Schwab and Jackson Sierra Heights, Jake Woods. Not a good start for the 12 of Beddow, but a great start for Simon Buchanan. Simon Buchanan, your leader after 1. It is Buchanan, McNeil, and Jake Woods. It's a field now pretty much single file. You have to go farther back, and that's where you're going to find Beddow and Brent Mack. Now Mack falls to the line. Parker Stevens is going to take it easy at this point. Coming off the 2. And now Woods. It's knocked out into the second groove, and he's starting to slide backwards. Up front, Simon Buchanan and Rick McNeil. Two-car breakaway. And we'll go a little bit farther back. We'll find Dwayne Swanson and Randy Shaw. Together, they are gaining on the front 2. Simon Buchanan, Rick McNeil. They look in their mirrors. They're going to see the 16 and the 23 get larger and larger. Two laps remain. Simon Buchanan trying to hold on for this heat race win. Off of turn number 4, your winner, Simon Buchanan, followed by Rick McNeil. And then